Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open Accounts section and go to Sign In Options, select Fingerprint Recognition and click Setup to start setting up your fingerprint. Enter your PIN code if required. Then start touching the fingerprint sensor, which is located right on the power button of your laptop. So lift and touch the fingerprint sensor again. Try using different parts of your finger in order to ensure the best experience for you. Okay. Then you can close this window, and now we can try to sign in using the fingerprint. And as you can see, it worked. I can try one more time. Okay, it works pretty fine. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.